What's up, Royals? In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Giraffe ground mounted retractable hose reels. I have been wanting a retractable hose reels for about 5 years now, and Giraffe was super sweet to say, do you want to review our hose? And I was like, yes, I'd love to review it. So in today's video, we're gonna unbox this hose. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna look at all the cool features that it has, and we're gonna review it together. If you are interested in this, let's get right into this video. Let's get it open. That's what the top looks like. OMG, look how cute. It has a nice weight to it, but it's great because it has this handle so that you can easily carry it wherever you need to. So let's go ahead and take it over to where we'll be setting it up. All right, so this space is where we will be mounting our hose. This is my old setup. This is just a regular hose from Walmart. So terrible, so inconvenient, so annoying. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing out the way. OMG, she's so cute. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen. She is so stinking cute. Trying to see which way I want her to face. When you're setting this up, it says that you want to put it on a surface that is level. So find a level surface, whether that's in some gravel, on your grass, or you can even mount it to concrete. So it's very versatile as to where you can mount this device, whatever works best for you. This is not a wall mounted hose, so you don't have to worry about mounting it to your house or anything. So that is a plus. Now for mounting, it's super easy. They gave you these stakes and all you do is hammer them down into wherever you're gonna stake this, or you can use these cement screws and you can mount it to like a cement brick or something like that. So whichever way works for you, they've got you covered. We're gonna go ahead and mount these into the ground. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play around with the location that I want this to be mounted. And I think I want it about here. The cool thing about this water hose is it has a 360-degree swivel. So it swivels all the way around. Unlike other brands that I have seen, they only go about 180. So here and here. But this thing goes all the way around. So I love, love, love that feature. so setting it up was as easy as that. I really didn't have any issues. The only thing that I had was, I think there might be a rock under the soil down there, so I'll have to figure out another way to get the other stake down in there. I might need some more manpower, but we've got it staked down. It's not gonna go anywhere, and she is so cute. I love this little hook on the side to keep the hose nice and tidy. So I really like that. You can also open this up and look inside and make sure that everything's good in there. If you run into any issues, you can go in there and just get everything together. So that is very convenient. Okay, so this hose is a 1/2 inch by 82 feet. So you get plenty of length in order to get around the garden. This is gonna be plenty to get around my small garden. The actual hose is supposed to be frost and explosion proof. Now, I will say I have had plenty of hoses that have exploded on me in this hot Texas heat. So I'm excited to see how this works out in the summer. But let's go ahead and see the retractability on this. This also has a shift lock, so at any length that you pull the hose, it should be able to lock. So let's go ahead and try it out. Let's see. Ooh, that's moving nicely. Wow. Okay. And it did lock. So now it's locked. And now I'm just gonna give it a pull. And it retracts back in. That is life-changing. OMG, I am in love with this hose reel. Where have I been all my life? Okay, so everything is working smoothly. The shift lock mechanism is working really good. You can lock it at any length that you want. The pull has a nice tug to it. It's not too hard, but it's enough to get the hose back wound up in there for easy putting away. Oh, this thing is so good. I just can't believe I haven't gotten one sooner. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the different settings on this nozzle. It's a really good nozzle. I just tried them all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how those work. Let's do it. So overall, I give Giraffe Tools ground mounted hose reel a 10 out of 10. I am in love with this thing. This thing is durable, it's easy to install. It's gonna make gardening so much more enjoyable without having to fumble around with kinked hoses. Oh, those days are behind us. So I highly recommend that you try this thing out. I've been seeing this on the internet for quite some time, and I'm just so excited that I finally got my hands on one. Thank you so much, Giraffe Tools, for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in checking this out for yourself, make sure you check out the link in my description box, and I think I'll have a discount code. If I do, I'll have it here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.